Do you want to add a location on Snapchat? You can insert your location in Snapchat Snaps with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a location to your Snapchat Snap. First, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Once you are on Snapchat, take a photo or select a picture from your device gallery. Now, tap on the sticker icon on the right side of the selected picture. A new screen will appear with various stickers. At the top of the sticker screen, find and select location. A pop-up screen will appear with a list of locations near you. Now, choose your current location from the suggested list or search for a specific location manually using the search bar. Once selected, adjust and place the sticker on your snap. When you're satisfied, tap on the Send to button and share it with your friends.